This is a video from eSkills Zone. For more videos, notes, and certificates, please visit www.eskillszone.com.
Hello and welcome. Hi viewers. Today in this video we'll learn short question and answers. In the last video we have learned question number 101 till question number 9. Now we'll start from question number 10. The first question number 10 is define selection structure. And the answer is a selection structure chooses which alternative program statements to execute if then and if then else statements are used to implement selection structure. Question number 11 is what is the use of if then statement? The answer is it is a decision-making statement depending upon the decision. It can change the order of program execution. If then statement is used to select a path flow in a program based on a condition. Now we will discuss question number 12. Question is what is condition? The answer is a condition is an expression that either evaluates to true, usually presented by 1, or false, usually represented by 0. Now we'll discuss question number 13. The question is what is the use of if then else statement? If then else statement. The answer is if then else is a decision-making statement as it decides the path of the program. The keyword else is used to specify two different alternatives with if statement based on a condition, one of the two alternatives is executed. It helps in making comparisons and testing whether a condition is true or not. Now we'll discuss question number 14. Define loop. The answer is a loop is a technique to execute a set of statements repeatedly, or the other definition is the repeated execution of a series of instructions for a fixed number of times is called a loop. Discuss question number 15. Question is, what is the use of for next loop? And the answer is for next loop is used to execute a set of statements up to fixed number of times. It is a counter loop. In this loop, the number of repetition are known in advance. Question number 16. What is the use of while when loop? The answer is while when loop is a conditional loop. It executes set of statements until an associated condition becomes false. In this loop, the programmer does not know in advance how many times loop will be executed. Number 17. What is nested loop? The answer is loop inside the loop is called nested loop. Nesting can be done in both for next and while when loops. The other definition is if a loop structure completely lies within another loop structure, then such a loop structure is called nested loop structure. Number 18, the last question is we will discuss today is differentiate between for next loop and while end loop. The answer is while end loop is used when the number of iterations is not known in advance, and it checks the looping condition and decides whether or not to continue. Whereas in for next loop, starting and final values are known in advance. It is used when the number of iterations is known in advance. So that's all for today, viewers. We have discussed different questions, so total 18 questions we have discussed for selection and loop structures. You can see we have multiple questions starting right from the question number 1 till question number 18. So these are very helpful to understand these definitions. So that's all for today, and thanks for watching my video.